Are you starting a new business and you want to create a brand new website but you don't know how? Don't worry, you've come to the right place. Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. This is Luke, and today I'm going to show you an amazing website which you can use to create a website for free without any effort using AI. This website is called Durable, and all what you need to do is to just click on generate your website. Then you will have to insert some keywords so that Durable can choose the optimum template for you. So now I'm going to insert my business type, which is oil and gas. So I will search for oil, and I'm going to choose oil, then press on next, and I'm going to confirm the location. Then I'm going to give my website a name of my company, which is Gasco. And now I'm going to click on generate and wait for the magic to work. So you can see on the bottom the percentage of completion of your website. So it's completely fast process and it doesn't take much time. Now we can see that it's 25%, 33%, it's still ongoing. So here on the top left we can see the logo. It has created a logo for us and the name of our company, and also you can see that it has created most of the template in a matter of seconds. So now you can see that this is the home page and the about us section, and the others are still loading. Almost there, and it's done. So now we are going to explore the website. You can see that there are different sections with different elements. There is also animations created. So this looks really professional. So now if you want to edit any of these sections, you will have to sign up first. This is done by clicking on customize, and now I'm going to sign up and be back for you in a matter of seconds. And now after signing up, you can see that you can edit any of these sections. So you just need to hover towards the section that you want to change. Let's change, for example, the about section. So by going to this section, clicking on it, you can click on restyle. And by choosing restyle, you can choose to edit the content itself or the style. So editing the content will make you edit the text itself, but editing the style will make you edit things like the color, the font, and so on and so forth. So if you want to create a new content, you can just click on regenerate, and AI will work and it will replace this text for you. Otherwise, you can create this manually, and as you can see, AI has made all the work for you. And in style, you can change, as we said, the background image, for example. You can add a background image, you can change colors, you can change font, you can add animations, and more. You can also change the section arrangement by moving up or moving down, and you can also change alignment by moving to the left. You can also change to duplicate or delete the whole section. You can add new section from the add section here, where you will be able to add a brand new section with different features. So now you got to choose the nature of the section, whether you want it to be banner, text plus image, or just text, and you can choose any of these ones. So after editing the sections you want, whether you will edit the style or you will edit the content itself, you can also edit the whole style of the template by just going to style on top, changing colors, changing fonts, buttons style, or other styles. You can also access different widgets like buttons for Telegram and buttons for WhatsApp and more. So just give it a few seconds. Just like that. You can also search for more widgets, and after you are done, you can go to publish. You can go to view to see how it looks like, and if you are satisfied, you can click on save or discard. And if you are satisfied with the final edition of your website, you can go to publish on the top, then choose to publish. But however, this is gonna necessitate the presence of subscription. However, I will just save this first. So after saving, you can go to publish again, then click on publish, where it will send you the email, the domain that you will get when you get a subscription. And if you want to just preview it, you can click on preview here. Then you will see how this website will look like. So it looks really professional, and I think it's worth subscriptions. So that's it for this video, guys. So if you like this content and you want to have more AI hacks and tips and AI related content, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in more tutorials and videos. Until then, take care and have a wonderful